The performance presented to cultural troupe is titled Manyai, Group Demonstration. Manyai is the first weeding or clearing of fields. This is the first phase of clearing after sowing of seeds. Manyai is done after Aulen festival. Group of men and women folks of same age or batch go to the fields of group members in turns. During Manyai, they sing or pray to Wangwan or Almighty for the crops or harvest to be healthy and bountiful. The item presented by the Wanching Cultural Troupe is Vauhahem. Our land is where people want to live. The beautiful hilltops, fertile lands and rivers. Our forefathers occupied the land more than others. There are many villages under us to which we are paid tributes. Our land borders the neighboring kingdoms. May God bless the future generations coming up.
Yung wan ba wai nang tau chilo ai ang pa Yung wan ba trong khu konyak chila lan tơ làm hậu pha
ya.
Hùng thâu nhà
I request the long cultural troupe to come to the center arena for the performance. Previously known as Lengha, is titled as One Leg Gong. This song narrates the welcoming of the new spring season. The ushering of the new season involves new blessings, objectives for the village folk. Through the song, people are made aware of the task that lie ahead, while also inviting blessings that come along with the gentle spring moon. One implies season and league implies call. Now request the home cultural troupe to come to the center arena for the performance.
Không này cái mày. Mày biết không à? Tôi về đến. Baik.
I request Tamkong Cultural Troupe to come to the center arena for the performance. The item presented by the home cultural troupe is titled as Now Asho. Now Asho is in home that Naga dialect means lullaby. Lullabies were sung by mothers and young babysitting girls in the village, soothing the babies to sleep when the family members were away in the fields. The young girls, taking care of their kins, would often come together and sing in unison, creating rhymes and melodies. These songs are taught, inherited, and passed down from a generation to another.
Bài cái này là một đường này kìa. Bài cái này là
The item presented by Tamkwong Cultural Troupe is titled Anpong Sao. Anpong Sao, also known as the Feast of Marriage Song, is a traditional folk song of Tamkwong village during the Feast of Marriage celebration. This grand celebration usually takes place in November, locally known as Anpong. The feast is hosted by a wealthy man who invites the entire family, entire village to eat, drink and dance as a display of his prosperity, generosity and social status. Through this act, the host not only showcases his wealth but also strengthens social ties within the community. In return, the villagers sing the Anpong Sao to honor and celebrate the hostess' generosity and success. The song reflects admiration, gratitude, and communal joy, embodying the spirit of festivity, unity, and shared within the Tamkwong community. to come to the center stage for the performance. The item presented by Chan Area Cultural Troupe is One Boat meant traditional song. Under the dynamic leadership of our Chief Minister, Dr. Nipirio, a ray of hope sings everywhere. Hornbill Festival of Festivals is a source of unity and oneness that connects globally. It is our hopes and belief that konyak will also move forward with the rest of the Nagas. Every responsibility lies in the leadership of Sri Kwanlam, Paiwon, and Siljong in particular. We, konyak community, warmly welcome Mini Hornbill Festival and carry the message that we are far behind others.
Cô lục gì bằng nam à? Cô lục gì bằng nam à?
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll now have a special performance by Wancho Fusion Crew from Arunachal Pradesh.